Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you how to prepare hanging baskets with this sweet potato. These are vegetable items you can collect from your kitchen, and you can make best quality hanging baskets. These are the sweet potatoes, and just sprouting is occurred here in June or July months. The sprouting occurs here, and you can collect it from your kitchen, and you can make. This is the big size of this sweet potato. Put it in water. Just put them in water. Take a small amount of water in a glass or in a bowl, and just put it, and these are the white specks. The roots will grow out from here, and this is then just put it in water. After 3 to 4 days all the sprouting will occur, in especially in the June and July months. This is the roots are coming out from here, and one thing you have to do is you have to change water every 3 days. Now I am showing you how to do it. Just take 2 glasses, small glass and small bowl, and put some water here, around half of this bowl or half of this glass. Put water and just place this sweet potato on it, and keep it as such in some of this window elaka, some window area. Some lights, indirect sunlight should come in, and they will sprout. These are the slips are coming out from here, and they will grow nicely. Within 10 to 15 days they will be nicely grown with full plant, and the plant's leaves and twigs are beautiful to look, nice look. You can make it vase, very nice vase you can prepare from here. Just I am putting in water, and let's see after a couple of days. Welcome back, friends. After 7 days you can see I have put in windowsill, and now sprouting has occurred, and all the twigs are come out from here, and the new branches are coming. You see this is the roots, white roots are coming out from here, and I am showing you another twigs. These are the beautiful, and the leaves are so beautiful. They look very nice, and these are nice roots, white roots you can see coming out from here, and all the slips have grown nicely. Welcome back, friends. After 10 days now the plants are ready for making any vase or any hanging basket, and this is the I am showing you again. This is the roots here. You see nice white roots, and the lots of these slips here with the beautiful leaves. You can see the design of the leaves, look of the leaves, and this is just starting, and in 10 or 15 days you will see the full of roots and full of leaves and twigs only, and they will look very nice. So these are all plants are ready. Now I will making some of the hanging baskets with this variety. If you go visit any nursery, you can get these kinds of plants here. You see this is the green variety, that is nursery variety of this Ipomea, and some purple variety also you can get in nursery. They charge around 30 rupees to 50 rupees one hanging baskets, and you can make it free of cost. Just you may not be getting that quality of light green or purple color, but green color plants you can get it, and they I tell you all are perennial plants once you grow it. And now take around basket of, this is a fruit basket. They charge around 10 rupees fruit basket. Any kind of baskets you have in your home, just make a take a long rope and make a knot here, and I am showing you how to pour it. And this is the string, or this is the tying of the string. This is here, and another I am showing you how to make some hanging baskets. Give a knot here, and after giving proper knot I will be showing you how to place them with the pierce it in some holes here, and now I am giving it out. This is okay. Now time you have to put some net here, maybe green net or some mosquito net, and any kind of net cloth here you can put here in order to prevent the soil coming out from here. And this is the net, mosquito net you can use, or green net, or any of this net cloth here. I am putting here some net cloth, and now I will be putting some soil mix. So soil mix, I'll tell you, that would be very light in weight, because there will be hanging baskets. Here I am taking 40% compost, 40% coco peat, and 20% garden soil. This is my ideal soil mix here. And now put around 1 inch layer of this soil mix here at the base, and here I'll be placing all the sprouted some of this sweet potato, and then I'll show you how to make it the basket, proper basket. You can make it in your home. That's a very nice, fun and beautiful project for your children also. Nice one. And I tell you, these are all perennial. Just place it here, and after placing it again, put some soil mix here, and after putting some soil, you can add some water just to moisten it. And this is here, this is complete. Now I am making another this basket. How to make it this look very nice. This is the starting. In 10 to 15 days you will see the look of this basket, beautiful baskets. Here the second one I am putting here. Again some, these are I'm taking out from here and putting in soil mix, and I will be filling up with soil. That same soil here I will be filling out here. And after the plants are grown properly, you can put some more soil here, but make sure the hanging basket is not very heavy in weight. These are some nursery variety, you can get it from nursery, but this is also look very nice. And I'll tell you, all are perennial variety, and that too in your home things you can prepare it without any cost and without any hindrance and all. If you want, you can take the slips out from here, from this skin of this. Just take off this small slip from here, just push it down to soil, and you can grow, and you can get the sweet potato from around 4 to 6 months. You can harvest potatoes from your garden also. So this is all. Now my hanging basket is ready. Now time to give it a knot at the top, and after giving it a knot proper, you make a hook with this wire. This is a metallic wire. I am showing you how to make the hooks from some S pattern hook here. You can prepare just S kind of hook, just to hang it with some grills of your window sills or window. Just I am showing you how to do it. So this is my ready. Now my 2 hanging baskets are ready, and that too from my only through the household items, and they will be look very nice. I am taking it to the window. Just come along here in window. This now I am showing you how to place it. Just this is ready, and just to place add water here, apply water here, and then I'll be hanging these 2 baskets here. Here you can see this is another basket that I have shown you, that I bought it from nursery. Just this is the hook. I am hanging it with the grills of this window. So this is another money plant that I am hanging here. And this is now 2 pots are ready to be hanged here, and they will be look very nice. In 10 to 15 days you will see the amazing look of these 2 beautiful hanging basket, that too made in your home. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to give a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.